This sale is for our Lindbergh Blue M general purpose tube furnace. It's model STF-55433-C and has a temperature range of 500 to 1500 degrees Celsius. The heating zone measures 12 inches. Please see our website for further details on this sale. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.